Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to reveal to you how you can use the issue navigator or navigation system inside your Jira site. For example, to navigate smoothly through your work items and issues. So let us dive right into it. So guys, for this, you will need to access your Jira site, of course. So head over to Jira site. And let me close that list of projects here because we're not going to use the projects list for this tutorial. But for this, you will need to expand that filters tab here on the left panel. And after that, expand the default filters panel. And from that, select all work items. That is going to give you an overview of all work items within your entire Jira site, no matter to which project or Kanban or Scrum board they have been added. So you will see them listed here. So you may use the quick search feature if you like. However, guys, I'm going to show you in detail how you can navigate through that system here. So you may switch between basic and JQL, for example, if you like using JQL here. Let me switch back to basic. So here to the right, you will see the search bar. Here you can search for specific work items. So let me type in, for example, just these letters here, or for example, I don't know, any other letters. And then you guys, you may, for instance, look for specific filters, like for example, filter by project. Like for instance, with that or that one, simply select the project and filter your work items that are associated or linked to the given project. If you want to remove the given filter, simply click into clear selection here. And you may do that with any other filter type as well, like assignee type. Like for example, if you'd like to filter out all epics, simply select epics and let Jira filter out any epics within your Jira site. Clear selection. You may go with status or add more filters, guys, if you like. For instance, you can go with the due date, the description, with custom fields you've created like these, like that on hold label here created for another tutorial, the priority, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's basically it. You may also bulk move or bulk edit work items within that list by either selecting the given work items or by bulk selecting them here in the top left. And after that, you will see these tabs here at the bottom with the amount or number of selected work items. Then you may go with edit fields, change status for all of them, for example, delete all of them. So that's basically it. If you like to change the status for all of them, simply select the status here and there for that type, and so on and so forth. Click into next here. Now, I'm not going to do this because I would like to keep these different statuses, but that's how you use the navigation system or navigator for your work items on Jira. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.